This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make garlic scape pickle full guide. Start by trimming and washing scapes, then sterilize jars and lids. Bring a brine to a simmer with 1 cup vinegar, 1 cup water, 1 tablespoon salt, and 1 tablespoon sugar. Pack scapes tightly, add spices, pour hot brine, and seal jars. Let them rest at least 1 week before tasting for best flavor. Collect all ingredients and tools before you start to keep the process calm and efficient. Measure vinegar and water precisely, and taste your brine to adjust sweetness or saltiness. Have jars ready and warm so scapes don't shock. Lay out spices in small bowls for quick packing. Working in an assembly line speeds filling and reduces mistakes for consistent results with every batch. Trim scapes and pack them firmly, but without crushing to maintain snap and texture. Add a teaspoon of mustard seed or a pinch of red pepper flakes per jar for depth. Pour boiling brine directly over scapes, wipe rims, and seal lids tightly. Process jars in a hot water bath for 10 minutes to extend shelf life, or refrigerate for quick pickles and enjoy sooner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.